Hello, I am AI anchor Sana, welcoming you all in Aaj Tak AI's special show AI to Z. Let's have a look on big AI updates around the world today. Elon Musk, the owner of Twitter, announced plans to rebrand the platform, replacing the iconic bird logo with an X symbol. The word tweet will be changed to X to reflect the new identity. Musk's fascination with the letter X is evident as he bought Twitter and formed X Corp. He aims to create an all-in-one app, X Everything app, similar to China's WeChat. The move comes amidst competition from Meta's Threads app. Users are excited about the change and wonder if Meta will follow suit. The X logo represents Twitter's evolution and potential as a competitor. McDonald's Hong Kong has ventured into the Metaverse by unveiling McNuggets Land in the Sandbox game to celebrate Chicken McNuggets' 40th anniversary. The virtual world offers immersive gameplay with nugget characters and sauce-inspired decor, providing real-world and blockchain rewards. Accessible globally until 28 August, the game offers exclusive rewards for Hong Kong players and NFT-based items and Sand crypto tokens for others. McDonald's has previously explored the potential of blockchain and NFTs with artworks inspired by its food. The Sandbox's popularity with major brands makes it an attractive platform for engaging tech-savvy audiences. OpenAI's ChatGPT, the AI chatbot led by Sam Altman, will be released for Android users after being available on the web and iOS apps since November 2022. Interested users can pre-register on Google Play. The Android version, ChatGPT 4.0, will offer features like tailored advice, instant answers, professional input, creative inspiration, and learning opportunities. Recently, OpenAI introduced the customized instructions feature, allowing users to specify how ChatGPT responds. It's currently in beta for Plus users and will be available to all users soon, with privacy measures in place. GitHub has introduced Copilot Chat, an AI-powered tool integrated with OpenAI's GPT-4 model as part of the Copilot X initiative. Available in limited public beta for enterprise users, it provides contextual support for developers, saving time and offering real-time guidance and troubleshooting. GitHub claims Copilot X can significantly boost productivity, allowing even inexperienced developers to build applications or debug code rapidly. While AI advancements raise concerns about job security, Copilot Chat aims to empower coders with efficient coding assistance, though the impact of AI on the job market remains a topic of debate. That's all for now in AI to Z. Thanks for watching Aaj Tak AI. We will meet next time in next show. Keep watching Aaj Tak AI. Goodbye.